Are you struggling with how to display your grouped data in Pandas? It can be quite tricky, especially when you want to show the group labels on every record. If this sounds like you, stick around because we are going to solve this together. I totally get it. You want your group data to be clear and easy to read, but sometimes it just doesn't display the way you expect. You're not alone in this. Many users face similar challenges when working with Pandas. Here's the specific question we're addressing today. One user asked, how can I show the group labels on every record when using GroupBy in Pandas? They provided a code snippet and expected output, which we'll analyze together. So what's the issue here? When you use the GroupBy function in Pandas, it often collapses the group labels, making it hard to read. We need to find a way to keep those labels visible for each row in the output. And make sure to stay with me until the end. I have a great tip that will help you streamline your data analysis process even further. To achieve the desired output, the user can use the Pandas library's reset index method after performing the GroupBy operation. This will help in filling the ACK column appropriately. Next, the user should ensure that the A column is included in the final data frame. This can be done by simply resetting the index, which will convert the grouped indices back into columns. Now the user can display the data frame to see the results. The output will show the A column filled in as required. Finally, the user should verify that the output matches the expected format. The A column should now repeat for each corresponding CLS value. Fun fact, did you know that Pandas is named after the term panel data? It's a great tool for data manipulation and analysis. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests resetting the index after performing the GroupBy operation. This can be done using the reset index method, which will fill in the AC column for each record in the grouped data frame. That wraps up that answer. Let's move on to another one. This user suggests adjusting a Pandas option called display.multisparse. By setting it to false, you can display the group labels in every row of your grouped data. You can do this permanently or temporarily using pd.setOption or pd.optionContext. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution provided by another user is to use the parameter asIndex set to true in the GroupBy function. This allows you to keep the AC column visible in the output. Here's the tip I promised. Always remember to use reset index after grouping your data. This simple step can save you a lot of time and confusion in your data analysis. And there you have it. Now you can display group labels on every record in your Pandas data frame. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on data analysis.